Personal information. My name is Carolina Aguila. I am 21 years old. I am currently studying radiology and diagnostic imaging. I also work as a sales advisor at Children's Clothing Store called Of Course. Daily routine. My daily routine starts with wearing up and organizing my room. Then I take a short half breakfast and go to work. I start working at the o'clock a.m. My job is to help and advise customers with their purchases. I fitness work at 8 p.m. and when I get home I focus on completing all my university assignments. Description: a woman is standing and speaking to the group. She is wearing a purple blouse and black pants. Some people are sitting around the table listening. Actively, most of them are dressed in the formal clothes, like white shirts, ties, and jackets. A man is taking notes while another person beside Jim is typing on a laptop. They are both wearing business attire, including a light blue shirt and a gray jacket. Thank you for listening.